Hello, it's your boy Leo back with another video. If you haven't seen my other sub test videos, please check them out. Totally recommend. So, shall I get into the video? Shall I? Yes, I should. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Do it. Do it. So now let's get to it. Never mind. Anyway, that was just like starting to be the end of the video, so again.
My stone and mine.
Okay, guys, that is enough for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And today was a very short video. And how do you like that bass test? Comment down below your favorite part. And the camera was shaking. Yes, I saw some